midweek update, and I'm just having a meeting with our main contractor, who's my partner, and I'm going to just show you how we're going to quickly make some changes and finalize some very important decisions. So we're just going to be talking about the master bedroom, which is this room here. It's quite dusty in here, and we're going to have a cutout on that wall, which will then lead into a walk-in wardrobe and a master bedroom. And we've also discussed upstairs. So let me just crack on with this meeting, and it's going to be pretty live, so there's no editing here, and I'm just going to be showing you exactly how it is on site and how we do things on site. So this is Danny, my partner on this, and we're going to quickly talk about what we want to do. Okay, Danny, over to you.
So we open from the master bedroom. It's going to be 1.5 meter wardrobes, like a open dressing area, 1.5 meter wardrobe there. Here we're going to have sliding door, go to the bathroom.
Yeah.
Nice round bath to the window. Nice basin, double basin. And here it's going to be screen glass. I done it in Central London and it looks perfect. And here is going to be wet room shower.
Yeah.
In that corner.
Yeah.
And here next to that is going to be toilet.
Okay.
With the towel.
Okay. Okay. So that's all open, and is that something that you've done before then?
Yeah, you will look great. Yeah.
Yeah. Where did you do that?
Fantastic. I done a couple of things.
Yeah. Where?
Chelsea.
Yeah.
Barham.
Yeah.
Clapham Junction.
Yeah.
I've done a couple of projects, same design.
Yeah, and that's all high end, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, good. Yeah, so we've got basically a drawing here of how it's going to be. So that's how the boys will know. What are you going to tell the boys? The team?
Yeah, so you know everything how to do. They've done it before, yeah.
They know, yeah? Okay, let's just quickly go into the other room and talk about the bathroom and what you're going to do there in terms of, okay, so what we're going to do in here. This is the master bedroom.
That's the master bedroom. I think the layout is going to be here like a nice king size bed.
Yeah.
So from here we just go to the bathroom.
So king size bed here. What's that going to be facing over there?
We don't need wardrobes or anything. Maybe they put some low level, something nice with a mirror in the bedroom, like.
Okay, so no wardrobes because that's the walk-in wardrobe. So that's going to be huge for them,
Yeah,
right?
It's a plenty wardrobe, because 1.5 meter on one side, 1.5 meter on the other side. It's like when you have 3 meter length on one room.
Right.
So you will be
Looks
enough.
stunning. Yeah.
You will be enough.
Yeah. Is there going to be any lights in there and so on?
Yeah, nice lights here, nice wardrobe, nice door.
And what will it have, a nice wood finish to it, or what should we do?
Combination between the spray and wood.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Good. All right. So this section up here, Danny, this is what I was talking about. You see those beams there? We could take some of those out, yeah, and that's where we have a vaulted ceiling. So that, and then we have 3 pendant lights hanging here. It looks absolutely stunning. I've done it in one of the other projects. On this one here, we don't need to do it because we've got plenty of space in there. We just keep the Victorian touches in here. I think that's important, yeah? Yeah? All right, let's quickly go upstairs and have a look of what we're deciding upstairs then, just so we know. So decisions that we've made today in terms of upstairs. Let's go. Guys, I'm not going to cut this. I'm going to just go exactly freestyle and just show you how things work on site. So upstairs, things were moving really fast. You've seen the previous update, and what was really important for me was to get this layout correct. So the guys are just cracking on. One of the changes that we made up here is on the architect's drawing, there was a single door there. They've now increased it and made it into a double French door. And we're now just finalising how we're going to use this space here. So what we've decided to do is, Danny?
So here is going to be like a closed, full partition.
So originally this was what going to be an ensuite.
Yeah.
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 And then I've basically come in and I've said that I want that to be a separate shower room, which both bedrooms can use, right?
So we close it now completely, full close here. Here is going to be the new landing. Here is the door to go into the bedroom. Here is going to be nice wardrobes. And entry door for this bathroom, which these people have access on it, and that bedroom also can come from the hallway to access that bathroom.
Good.
So
Yeah.
main bedroom on the loft, and the second bedroom, which is going to be that bedroom.
So that's that second bedroom there, which will have a staircase down there, a door going into that bedroom. They can come up the staircase, come up into this space here, which will be their shower room.
Yeah.
Alternatively, they can also go downstairs and into the family bathroom.
Correct.
Which
yeah.
is great.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I want these two bedrooms, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, a shared shower room, and both of these bedrooms can go downstairs into a family bathroom there. The third bedroom has also got the bathroom next door. The guests from downstairs, they can come upstairs, they can go into the bathroom, and then the parents have got a massive double bedroom, a walk-in wardrobe, and a separate ensuite, which is going to be stunning. Yeah. So that's the layout that we're going to be going for.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that's going to be.
You will be okay.
This is like. It's going
There
to
we
look
go,
stunning.
nice door to match the wardrobes.
Yeah.
Whatever layout and
Yeah, that
design
will
we
be
can
in
do.
the carpentry that we do as per normal, and finished to a really good standard. We can decide on the finish on that one as well. Yeah. That area there, Danny, underneath there, where the inside of that space is, that's where the beams were downstairs. We're going to take them off. We miss out on the storage, but then we have a vaulted ceiling downstairs as well. So that is a potential as well. All right, let's go to the ground floor. Right, guys, I see you downstairs on the ground floor. I should be getting paid danger money for this, so I'm going to cut this off here and I'll see you downstairs. So just climb down that ladder, and so this is the master bedroom again. That's the third bedroom downstairs. On the right hand side we've got the bathroom, and we're going to take it downstairs now, and I'll show you how fast we're moving downstairs. This is midweek, so you've got to make trips to the sites. Decisions have to be made, and this is something that was really important that I need to speak to Danny about. And what we decided is this is going to be the hallway, and what I wanted was a double door here, which is a pocket door which slides to the right, slides to the left. As soon as you look on this right hand side, all you see is some glass that takes you into the lounge, and then a hallway that takes you upstairs. So what we decided here, Danny?
So one door is going to slide inside the wall, and the second door is going to slide inside to that wall, because that wall is continuing with a little curve here up to the stairs. That stairs is going to be full partitioning up because it has to be fire protected, and then we're going to have nice open and clean and daily area here with the two sliding door when it's open, and when it's closed also with a glass panel.
Okay, let's have a look inside. So going inside the lounge here, I'm just going to turn this around. So we lose that pillar there.
That one has to stay.
That one has to stay. Okay. So where's the support on this section here?
We're gonna take this
When
one.
you say that one has to stay, Danny, that looks a little bit thick to me. Can we take it back a bit? Because ideally what we want is we want this space here, this space to be a nice rectangular square space without this big pillar in there.
That one
Yes.
can be cut. That.
Right. Okay. Yeah.
But that one,
Yeah.
no.
Okay. You can't even take it half the way across unless we put the steel across there, right?
These are still already.
Okay. No, a new steel.
Smaller.
A new steel. Yeah.
Yeah. We can make it smaller.
Yeah. Because that looks too bulky there.
We can do it.
Yeah, it looks too bulky. We want it to be a nice square shape.
Yeah, but not more than that. No.
Okay, that's fine. That's better than that. So let's get that done, yeah?
Okay.
Right, well, because then it just gives us a really nice big rectangular shape, and it's so much nicer. Okay, going forward, let's have a look forward, what we've decided. So this is where we had a slight hurdle here. So the architect and me had a conversation yesterday, and we wanted to, I wanted to direct them in terms of the floor plan, the layout, and what I require. So I wanted to get a pantry just get the stop a little bit, Danny. I wanted to get a pantry in the kitchen, and I also wanted to get a utility room, and that means that we've got to sacrifice a WC, which is fine because anybody up here literally goes up one flight of stairs and they're going to be in a lovely bathroom there, which is not a problem. And then downstairs they're going to have this huge double reception room, which is here. And then where we've got these supports here, Danny, there was previously a wall there, right? So there was a solid bearing wall, and what I want is I want that to be a pantry. Yeah.
Which from that frame beam is going to be another big steel which will work on the side of the house. So in the thin one with two columns, it's called frame beam cast in concrete, and then from the beam on top on that area is going to be another section of steel. Take out this wall, and then another section of steel there to make open for the bifolding door.
Okay, and then it's going to be a full-length bifold door. Yeah, with a piece of glass on the other side. Okay, all right. So I know what that's going to look like. So you guys, the viewers, just follow, stay tuned. Let's just talk a little bit about here, what we've done here on the floor, Danny. This channel here that you've done here, look. So that's for your frame steel box, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So basically, just explain the steel box frame and why that's required.
So actually, this is quite bearing structural wall. That's why we need to be very solid as per structural engineer drawing. It has to be beam at the bottom, cast it with a mesh and concrete. Column support, another big steel which is like 71 kg per meter, quite massive steel, and another piece of steel which connects on that steel, going all the way through to take all the load and all the rest of the house, because that wall has to be open. Same in there. So that one is a critical one, has to be very solid with a foundation cast in concrete steel, and it's called frame beam.
And that all gets signed off by building control. So they will come in and check it once you've done it?
Yeah.
Okay, fine, okay. So just looking at this section here, where Danny's standing here, you'll see there's a door frame there. So imagine that's one entrance going into the back kitchen. On the other side, there'll be another entrance that goes into the new glass section that we're going to be extending. And then in the middle, we're going to have a solid wall here, which faces you. We can actually put a TV on that wall on this side, and on the other side that will be the utility room. So we've got that all mapped out now, and then on the left hand side here underneath this staircase, Danny, we're going to have storage.
Yeah, here I'm going to make nice door, good size of storage. So all this is going to be like 1.4 meter by 1 meter storage for Hoover, etc. A couple of shelves inside here.
Okay, good stuff. Okay guys, that gives you midweek updates, and it just shows you what it takes to manage these projects, and changes have to be made. And yeah, stay tuned. Monty, Nawaz, out. Thanks, Danny. Say bye.
Thank you, goodbye.
Bye.